The COVID-19 crisis has affected everyone and every kind of activities, including our sport. Swimming lessons are on pause, sports clubs of different kinds have been forced to stop their training sessions and games, and many children and adults who play football, rugby, tennis, judo and hockey, to name a few, have had to self-isolate and distance themselves and avoid meeting friends and teammates. It's no fun kicking a ball on your own. Sport is a social activity. Best play is playing together. What's the point of passing a ball to no one, kicking to no one, or even serving to no one? Best play is playing together. Ashley Williams and Gareth Bale need a team to play with, and Manon Lloyd can't race on her own. Ken Owens and Sinead Harris need a pack. Best play? No one can take that kind of strain. But residents of Carmarthenshire, do not despair. The sun will rise again. We have all missed our friends and teams, and we are all eager to return to our sport. As we attempt to return at this time, let the Actif Communities team help you. Gareth can help you with mentoring for instructors. Rian can help you on how to include everyone in your activities. Kath can help you to get to know your members. Let Alice help you in promoting your club. Alicia will be happy to support your volunteers. And Kate will be more than ready to help you with your club development. Hayley will be happy to help you discuss all of your funding needs. We are here to help. So get in touch with us and we can help you develop your club so that you can open your doors and welcome back your members when it's safe to do so.